Agree to the terms. Now make sure you choose your PSP drive, not your computer drive. Memory stick L for me, yours is most likely different. And then select next. It's going to install all the files and everything you need to run the new 6.20 TNB. I'm going to exit mine because it's already on there. When it's finished, click finish. And then what we're going to do is go over to our PSP. Exit USB mode. Go to our game. Memory stick. There's our Patapon 2 demo. The homebrew enabler, which we will utilize inside on the hen here in the Patapon exploit. So run the game, the demo game. I'm not going to. Yes, play anyway. There we go. Not a new game. We want to go to continue. Load up the save game. Load is complete. Let it load up. There we go. Push any button. And we wait. We let the hen work. Press R when you're ready.
Now we got the homebrew enabler right there. Make sure you select hen, X or 0 to run.
Alright, let's check where we are. 6.20 TNB from Total Noob. And there you go. Easy way of installing the new custom firmware. My PSP is at 1000, so I may go back to a different one. But for now, I'm going to play around with this because I got a PSP camera that I can use. It wasn't working on 5.03 Gen C, so I thought I'd utilize my 1000 and its Pandora battery. Have fun, guys. Peace.